Thank you guys.
Good evening.
Good evening, miss.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, miss.
Okay. So my question towards you is, do you know how to cook?
Of course, miss.
Okay. So, as a partner, see, someday everybody will get married. So, what quality is needed for you to, to know that girl is the right girl for you? So, what are the qualities that you are looking for?
Okay, first of all, thank you for the question, ma'am. Well, choosing a right partner is very much important for me because it's a lifetime commitment, right? So, I think the qualities which I'm searching for is she should be like hardworking and understanding, and women are constantly